Hello students, I am Pushprata Miss. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are safe at home. Stay home and stay safe. Let us start exercise 8.2. First question, identify the following as closed figures or open figures. First one, A, open figure. Second one, closed figures. Next, also closed figure and open figure, and F also open figure, and last one closed figures. Okay. Second question, which of the following are polygons? In this, A and B are polygons because these both figures sides are made up of line segments. Okay. Third question, fill in the blanks. The first answer. Third question, fill in the blanks. First one, figures that start and end at the same point are called closed figures. A point where two rays meet is called a vertex. A polygon formed by 6 line segments is called a hexagon. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 vertices. A heptagon has 7 sides and 7 vertices. Fourth question, write the names of the angles. RQP, angle RQP. Here also angle XYZ, NLM, angle NL. Okay. Then fifth question, from the given figure write the name of points which are first one in the exterior of angle DEF. Exterior of angle DEF. Exterior means outside, that is L and M. In the interior of angle DEF. Interior means inside, that is PRQ. Next, heading circle. We have already learnt about the circle. It is a shape made up of curved line. Circle is a curved shape with all its points lying at the same distance from a fixed point center. Okay. Then how to draw a circles. Drawing circles, we can draw a circle with the help of a bangle or a bottle cap, and also with the help of some coins which are circular. Okay. Next, we can also draw a circle with the help of a pair of compasses. A compass is an instrument in a geometry box. The compass has a metal point on one arm, and on the other arm a pencil can be attached. Here the arms can be stretched. Use these steps to draw a circle with the help of a compass. Keep the metal point of one arm fixed on the paper, then stretch out the arm that holds the pencil, and keep the metal point fixed and move the pencil arm around it. Okay. By stretching the arm more, we can draw a bigger circle, and by stretching it less, we can draw a smaller circle. Okay, try it. Parts of the circle. First one, center. The point at which we had kept the metal arm of the compass fixed can be marked as O. The point O is the center of the circle. Point O is the center of the circle. Second, radius. If we join any point on the circle to the center of the circle, we get a line segment. This is called a radius of the circle. Here, OP and OM, OP and OR and OM are the radius of the circle O. Next, chord. If any 2 points on a circle are joined, we get a line segment. This is called a chord of the circle. Here, AB and CD are the chords of the circle O. Diameter. A chord of a circle which passes through its center is called a diameter. Here, M, N and PQ R. Diameter of circle. O. Circumference. The length of the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. Means outside of the circle. We cannot measure the circumference of a circle with ruler, though it is the length of the boundary of a circle. Okay. Next, drawing a circle of given radius. Here, to draw a circle of radius 4 cm, we follow these steps. First one, open the legs of the compass to 4 cm using ruler as shown here. Mark any point O on the plane of the paper and place the tip of steel end at it like this. Hold the head of the compass steadily and rotate it such that the pencil end touches the paper. Thus, a circle of radius 4 cm is drawn. Okay students, practice.